Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about retarded shit happening at Blizzard or Activision-Blizzard. Yeah, it's definitely something that is kind of... First, there are certain things in there that... you know what? Let's go. Shall we? From PC Gamer, former World of Warcraft designer apologizes for cringe-worthy sexist stuff they said at BlizzCon in 2010. I don't think they said anything cringe-worthy or sexist, and I watched the video. It was kind of hilarious because, an idiot over there says, one of the females said, "Oh, they don't look like they stepped out of a Victoria's Secret catalog." Well, little bitch. Did you forget that many of the males in there in World of Warcraft are also buff, slightly naked, masculine men as well? No, it's only a problem because there's hot women who are definitely hotter than you are. That's why you're hot and bothered. Yeah, that's why you got sun in your vajayjay. No wonder you're absolutely having a trigger fit. God damn it, these people. Turns out that this shit started way before Gamergate. Anyway, let's see, where was I? Oh, right. The audience initially applauds the question, but it's soon drowned out by booing. Boo! I agree. Boo! Worse, however, the responses from the panel. What? It was hilarious. The group of Blizzard developers feigned confusion, playing to the crowd in an attempt to make humor out of the question. I don't see anything problematic in that. Which catalog would you like them to step out of? Could you see Sylvanas looking any other way? I couldn't see Sylvanas looking any other way, and definitely 100% I prefer them to step out of one of the Victoria's Secret's catalog. It's definitely good looking. After all, the males in there look like they step out from some underwear catalog as well. And do I have a problem with that? No, I'm just pointing out the hypocrisy, you fucking imbecilic morons! Anyway, Afrasiabi then jokingly agrees, saying that the studio wants to vary female characters in the game by promising to pick more catalogs. Very good response. I thought that Brock continues by saying, "A new towering female character is drawn from sexy cow business." I don't see any problem with that. When was that other race that I forgot? Look, I played World of Warcraft, but I haven't touched that crap of a game in years. They offered, you know what? The last time I actually played it was a couple of years ago, in which they offered, what, 10-15 days, I think, of trial to former subscribers. I took the bait, I played it for a couple of hours and said, you know what, fuck this, goodbye. So I haven't really played World of Warcraft in... since 2011, I think. Yeah. And then the Mists of Pandaria came and I said, ooh boy, goodbye. So basically, I forgot what are those blue shits, alien shits thing are named of, and quite frankly, I wonder what type of catalog they are modeled out of. Maybe from the blue sexy alien that have who's well, and then of course they go and grovel, "Oh my god, please forgive us." Well, let's face it, some of the claims that they make on the accusations against Activision-Blizzard, some seem to have merit, the others are just fucking retarded. What? Making jokes? Or being a male environment and things like that? Well, I don't see any problem with those. What I did have a problem with, and they need to have an investigation, is it's the suicide de seppuku that one female committed while out in business with another guy. That's definitely something that needs to be looked at. Some of the unzipping bras or things like that, unhooking bras and things like that needs some investigation. But overall, it's a lot of nonsensical bullshit. And as Arch puts it, they probably wanted more diversity commissars, and anyway, this is also the reason why this is happening. Oops, there you go. Yeah, and fuck you, I'm using archive. Production of World of Warcraft has stopped thanks to Activision-Blizzard lawsuit from the gamer. According to a senior developer, all work has ceased on World of Warcraft thanks to the Activision-Blizzard lawsuit. Last week, news broke that the state of California, that state again, was suing Activision-Blizzard for what is called a pervasive frat boy workplace, where female staff were often subject to harassment. The lawsuit included disturbing descriptions of male employee behavior that included micromanagement, naked photos of a female employee being shared at a holiday party. Oh, and turns out that naked photo is in fact because when she was an actual model. So those pictures were in fact publicly available, and she actually did take those pictures with consent. So anyway, and cube crawls, where male staff would drink copious amounts of alcohol as they crawled their way through various cubicles in the office and often engage in inappropriate behavior towards female employees. Not only that, they also mentioned Gamergate. Yeah, they blaming this on Gamergate as well. Yeah, which is why I went from, this may be credence, but as soon as more information came out and I became aware of it, and I'm starting to think, hey, maybe this is not something that has much credence. Maybe something. Anyway, be right back. I have to deal with my jeans. 1 second, please. And I'm back. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm having certain problems with my jeans, not jeans, jeans. Yeah, I'm having problems with the word. Anyway, there's a lot of dust in there, a lot of tree cum, flower cum, and other shit. And my nose is having an SJW moment. Anyway, where was I? Oh, right. Shit, fuck, crap. Let's see. Did I dox myself? Apparently, no, I did not. Oh, thank goodness. Fuck you. Anyway, where was I? Oh, alright. Right. The turmoil the lawsuit has inflicted on his team. Let's see. The news was shocking, disturbing that many Activision employees took to Twitter to share their stories. One of them was World of Warcraft senior system designer who admitted that work has essentially ceased on the game because of the emotional turmoil the lawsuit has inflicted on this team. Well, tell you the truth, World of Warcraft hasn't been good in a decade, so not much of a loss there. Where was it? I don't know what to do. I don't have all the answers, wrote Hamilton. No, that guy on Twitter. I can tell you almost no work is being done on World of Warcraft right now while this obscenity plays out, and that benefits nobody. Not the players, not the developers, not the shareholders, yeah, nobody. But then again, let's face it, it's an absolute disastrous, cock-momently fucktard of an absolute shit show. Because, well, let's face it, there's a lot of things in there that, like I said, it doesn't seem to hold much truth. I don't know. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not. Who am I to say it? Even though a lot of the things in there looks very dubious. Anyway, elsewhere in the long Twitter thread, that guy said, viscerally disgusted by the horrible trauma that was inflicted upon my co-workers, friends, and colleagues. Yeah, there's a lot of... We all know that a lot of those accusations that these people like to inflict upon men are usually fake. There's a lot of the METOO stuff going on that is eventually kind of fake. And a lot of people lost their jobs, lost their livelihood, lost their families due to fake accusations. Anyway, after horrible trauma, friends and colleagues, but what really brought work to a standstill in World of Warcraft was the response from Activision-Blizzard. Let's see. Activision's response to this is currently taking a group of world-class developers and making them so mad and traumatized they are rendered unable to keep making a great game. Well, I kind of understand why they are feeling like that, but calling it a great game, that's too much. Activision-Blizzard has denied the allegations against it, saying that the suit includes distorted and in many cases false descriptions of Blizzard's past. Chief Compliance Officer, that guy over there, went even further with an internal email to Activision-Blizzard staff, at times both acknowledging past egregious actions while simultaneously calling the lawsuit meritless and irresponsible. At the end of the Twitter thread, Hamilton points to over 30 past and present Blizzard staff who also shared their personal stories online. Those stories often mirror the allegations presented in the lawsuit, describing a workplace that normalized sexual harassment and assault. Well, I'm sorry, but many of the things in that doesn't seem to be sexual harassment and assault, mostly more like an environment where a lot of young people like to make jokes. Hey, I like to make jokes in regards to rape and to other stereotypical nonsense. I even make jokes about my blood as well. After all, I carry the blood of people who love money. Oh, I love money. I love money. Do you like money? Yes, I like money. I like money. Well, idiocracy is a thing. And I like money. Who said who doesn't? Hell, who doesn't like money? Certainly not me. I love money. I make fat jokes, including from my former fat past and my skinny flabby skin thingy. Hey, it's all about fun. Everything for me. For me, no joke is forbidden. Everybody should make all sorts of jokes regardless of their content, and that's one of the things that seems to be a problem with that lawsuit as well. Either way, I'm not going to go any further into this, so if you like this type of content, say right here on youtube.com/Jester, or if you prefer spicy content, which eventually we'll get to, it's beachute.com/Jester or minds.com/Jester. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button because you definitely want a notification when this beautiful face is ready to show himself again on your YouTube screen, or your computer screen, or your mobile screen. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great fucking night.